Ever wondered how those budgeting apps manage to be free? I mean, they're providing a valuable service, right? Helping you manage your money, track your spending, and hopefully, save more. But how do they turn that into cold, hard cash? Today, we're diving deep into the business model of Goodbudget, one of the most popular budgeting apps out there. Let's face it, personal finance apps are a dime a dozen these days. So, what sets Goodbudget apart? And how does it manage to stay afloat without charging you a monthly fee? Well, it's all about understanding their business model. First, let's talk about the free version. Goodbudget offers a basic version of their app for free. Why would they do that? Well, it's a smart marketing strategy. By offering a free version, they attract a massive user base. These users get a taste of the app's features and hopefully see the value in upgrading to a premium version. Now, let's talk about the premium version. This is where Goodbudget starts making money. For a monthly or annual fee, users get access to additional features like unlimited envelopes, syncing across multiple devices, and advanced budgeting tools. This subscription model is a classic way for app developers to generate revenue. But it doesn't stop there. Goodbudget also has partnerships with other financial institutions. These partnerships can take various forms. For example, Goodbudget might recommend certain financial products or services to its users. If a user signs up for one of these products through Goodbudget's link, the app might earn a commission. Another potential revenue stream is data. Yes, you heard that right. Goodbudget collects data on user spending habits. This data can be incredibly valuable to marketers and financial institutions. They can use this information to develop targeted advertising campaigns or create financial products that cater to specific demographics. However, it's important to note that Goodbudget likely anonymizes the data before sharing it to protect user privacy. So, there you have it. Goodbudget makes money through a combination of premium subscriptions, partnerships, and potentially data monetization. It's a business model that allows them to offer a free version of the app while still generating revenue. But remember, the most important thing is that Goodbudget helps people take control of their finances. And as long as they continue to deliver value to their users, the business model will likely remain sustainable. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.